Hello YouTube friends, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Now in the previous video we have discussed about the checkbox. In this video we are going to discuss about the list view to add a number of items in list wise. So let's start without wasting more time. Uh, just add list view. Okay, add the properties of this list view. First we will use the padding for the item. Padding concept. Okay, edge edge insets all. We have discussed about this edge insets uh, property in the previous video. You can check that. Now after the padding we will use the children widget. So how we can use children widget? Now in the children widget we use container. We will use the container children. The children can contain number of widgets in row wise or in column wise. So let's use a container inside the widget. Container. And now add the container properties. First let's use the height of the container. What will the height? Let's say 20. Okay, let's give some colors dot let's say use amber. Okay, sorry, 60,000. Now use the text which will be displayed inside this container. uh, we are okay, use the child because we are using the text inside the container. That's why we have to use the child inside the container. Child. Now concept constant. Okay, we will use the text in the center. Let's use child child and then text. Which text? Let's enter the text. uh, let's say container. Container A, sorry. uh, Now let's run the app and see the output. Okay, you can say the container A. You in my previous app you have noticed that I have practiced before delivering you. Now you can see the container one. Let's just add up an other container. So copy the container material from where we should start. Okay, what is this? Okay, just copy this and paste after that. Sorry, we are pasting it outside the container. We have to paste inside the uh, inside this children. So we have to paste here. Oh, okay. Now we have not. Okay, delete this one. Now run the app again. Just run the app. You can see the code here. You have to use the children and then widgets inside the children, which is container, and then again container. Let's change the color of this container uh, and black. Okay, and Name of this container is B. Okay, let's see what happened. Oh, sorry. uh, B is not visible because the color of text color is black, so let's green and run it again. Hope you are all enjoying my tutorials. If you are enjoying my tutorial, please do subscribe my channel and wait for the next one. We will discuss about the refactor, and we will also make e-commerce application at the end of this course. Stay tuned. Goodbye.